What's up, y'all? It's Monday, November 5th. It's about 20 to 7 in the morning. On my way to work. Under my umbrella. It's raining. I'm down here at the river. And, just trying to stay dry. And enjoy the outdoors before I go work indoors all day. Raining pretty good. Any of you that are familiar with my videos know excuse me, that I like the rain, so I'm a happy camper right now. And I'm using my little personal umbrella from Home Depot. 10 bucks. It's Venet. So hopefully wind won't blow it away. It's smaller than I thought it was going to be, but I don't know. It's doing alright for this calm rain. If it was any wind, it wouldn't be much good. I do have a little yellow poncho in my backpack that I carry with me. I've had it for about 2.5 years. And I only opened it once, and the time that I did open it, as soon as I put it on, it stopped raining. So I'm reluctant to take it out. But if it starts coming down any harder, or if I start getting wet, then I guess I will, because I've still got about a mile walk to work. Very peaceful morning. The tide's low right now. It's still going out, but it's just about to full low tide. Somebody threw this shopping cart in here. There was somebody that was staying down here. He's got this place littered with beer cans too, as you can see. It's a shame. Alright, well, I guess I better start heading to work. But talk to you guys again soon.